Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the most common question asked by the interviewer in the SQL. First one is to write a SQL query to find out the nth highest salary from an employee table. Here nth means second highest, third highest or any other number. Second one is to write a SQL query to find out the nth highest salary from each department. There are many ways to find nth highest salary, but best way to do this task by using dense rank function. It will also work if your table has duplicate data. So below is the syntax for the dense rank. Here we have over clause. So within over clause, you have to define that rank to be generated on which columns. Let's switch to SQL servers and write query for this. Here we have employee tables which having duplicate salaries. Employee 2 and employee 3 have same salaries. Employee 5 and employee 6 has same salaries. So now we are going to use dense rank over there. Dense underscore rank. Then we have to use over clause. Here we have to mention order by, that for which we have to generate the rank. Column is salary. Then we need from highest to lowest salary. In that order we have to generate rank. Use R number as alias and just execute that query. Here you will find that rank to be generated on the behalf of the salary. For same salary, same rank to be assigned. Now employee 5 and employee 6 have highest salary, so both have rank 1. Employee 4 has salary 3000, so rank was assigned 2. Employee 2 and 3 have same salary 2000, so rank was assigned 3. And employee 1 has the lowest salary 1000, so rank was assigned 4. Now we are just going to filter that records, that we have to figure it out that who was having second highest salary. Just put that query in a subquery, select star from, put a bracket over there and at the end as well, where R number equal to 2. Now this query will returns those employee who are having second highest salary. To find the third highest salary, you just change the R number to 3 and execute the same query again. Now it will gives you both the employees who are having the same salaries. Now just moving to the next question. Now we have to write a query to find the nth highest salaries for each department. So similarly we are using the dense rank for the same, but here we have to use the partition by clause with order by. So just let's switch to the SQL servers and write query for this as well. So now we have two tables, employee table and department table. Now join employee table with department. Use alias D for department and E for employee. Both have common column department ID. Now just execute the same query and check what it return. Now here we will get the name of the employees and their department as well. So what we have to do, we have to write a query so that we will find the second highest salary or the third highest salary department wise. So now here the department HR has salary 2000 and 3000 and 4000 as well. So just use the same dense rank over there, copied it from the top. Now you have to use partition by, that you have to do a partitions on the behalf of department. So we have department ID in two columns. So we have to use the alias. We have to write e dot department ID. Just execute the same query again. Now it will generate the ranks for you on the behalf of the department. So when department was IT, then the highest salary for that department was 4000 and rank 2 was given to the lowest one, that's IT department has salary lowest was 1000. So it just break the ranks for each departments. So now for HR department, the highest salary was 4000, second highest salary was 3000 and the third highest was 2000. So we just again filter the records by using the subquery. Now put that query in a subquery to filter the records. So just copy the syntax from the top. Before hitting the query, you have to make sure that the columns you have selected are to be unique. So here we are department ID are twice. So we just use the unique columns over there so that it will not gives you the exceptions. So I just select all the columns from the employee tables, and from departments we just select the department name. Now execute that query. So it will returns you the list of the employees who are having the third highest salaries. So the only the department HR have the third highest salaries, 2000s. There are two employees, employee 2 and employee 3. Now to find out the second highest salary for all the departments, so I just changed from 3 to 2. Now execute the same query again. It will gives you the two employees names, employee 1 for department IT and employee for department HR, and these are the salaries for those employees for the second highest salary. So employee 1 was holding the second highest salary of 1000 rupees and employee 4 is holding the second highest salary of 3000. In the dancing, you can find the nth highest salaries even for the duplicate data as well. So it's the most easiest way to find out the nth highest salaries. If you have any questions related to dense ranks or nth highest salaries, then just drop your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.